Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Priyendra Kumar. This is the second video in Project Management Dashboard video series. In the first part of this video, I have given the demo of this Project Management Dashboard wherein we have created the multiple tabs like Gantt, Resource, Timeline, Heat Map, Risk and Issues. And I have also explained the data sheet, setting sheet and the support sheet. In the support sheet, I have explained this portion, and this portion I will display while I will explain you the timeline chart. So now we are going to use these number in dashboard tab. So friends, I have protected the multiple worksheet here, you can see, but I have not put any password to protect this. So let me just unprotect this worksheet first. To unprotect this worksheet, go to the review and just click on unprotect sheet, and that sheet will be unprotected because I have not used any password. Now I'll show you the each and every visualization how I have created this. So here I have used this traffic light to show the project status, and that will be changed according to the project status. If the project status is amber, now I'll show you one example here. So let me go to the data sheet. So here you can see if any red will be available, then it will display status as red. So let me manually change the red, which is R. Manually I'm putting here A. Then what should happen? The status should be changed here as amber. So worksheet is being calculated. So you can see it is amber. The light is amber or yellow. If I will put there green, all green, then what will happen? So let me select this A, and or simply I can remove this because only green will be there. Now if I will come to this sheet, then after the calculating sheet it will be green, you can see. So I have used this traffic light indicator to display the project status. To learn how to create this beautiful traffic light, I have already uploaded a video. If you will go to my channel and videos tab, you will see this video which is stylish traffic light in Excel. You can learn this how to create, and here I will show you. Basically I have created this image. You can learn in that video how to create this image. And then simply here I have used the linked picture from support sheet and 23. If I will double click here, it will take me to that cell. So you can see here. So in the last part of this video, I have explained, I have used here conditional formatting to get the project status. So simply it is taking this image. To take the image, you can simply copy and you can go to any sheet, and then you can go to the home, paste a special, and you can use this linked picture. So that will be available here, and then this image we have put over this. So that is how we have created this traffic light. You can learn more about this traffic light, how to create. Just watch that video. Now here we have displayed the total task. Total task is 72. I have simply created this rectangle. This is a simple rectangle and this is a simple text box. I have connected it with the N11. So to connect any text box, you can simply insert a text box or insert a word art from here, and then you can connect it. Select that text box, go to the formula bar, press equal to, and you can connect from any cell. Let's say from here. So you can see this is 72. Now you can format. So whatever value will be available there, that will display here also. So we have connected this, you can see, with N11. So let me show you the N11. This is the total task. Now I'll show you this chart, which is completion percentage. We have used the simple donut chart here, and for this label again we have used the text box, you can see, and in this text box we have connected from O14. So let me show you the O14 on support sheet. This is the O14, which is 40%. So it is displaying that value, and we have created that donut chart using these two. To use this beautiful visualization, you can watch our video. I have created multiple videos for donut chart. So let me show you that video. You can watch this video, which is stylish donut chart in Excel. So you can watch this video. I will show you here also. So let me go to the support sheet and I will create a chart quickly. Just select this range, go to the insert and then go to the charts and I will insert a donut chart. So first of all, I will remove all the things from here and then I will make it slightly smaller. Right click, go to the format data series. Here we will take the whole size as 85 or 90%. Then if you will see, the 40% is completed, 60% will be blank. So for this 60%, this one we will take the color as solid fill and will fill here some gray color like this. And for this one we will fill, because this is for completed, so we will fill here solid fill and will take this green color. Then we will go to the border and here we will take the solid line and the color of the line will take the same green. And now we will increase the width slightly like this, around 4 or 5 point. So that is how we have created. Now let me go to the dashboard again. So these three charts we have created using the same technique. This is the simple donut chart, risk and issues. So here you can see this is a simple donut chart. If I will select this range, go to the insert and insert a donut, the simple donut will be created. And then we have added the data label and we have changed the color accordingly. So we have changed the color as this pink, dark red and red, high dark red, medium red and low pink. And this is a simple rectangle and text box. Here if you will see, we have connected it with these two lines, these two. The last one, here we have taken the simple table. If you will see here, we have used the formula. We have used the index formula. So let me put this formula again, delete this. And here I have used index formula first, index, then I'll go to the risk sheet. And here I have taken the D1 to the 1000. Alright, just freeze this. And then we have to get the first low category. So what I have done, I have used here large formula. In the large if formula, if, then just select this range till 1000 and freeze this. If this value is equal to low, which is this one, press F4, then it should return the row number of these cell. Otherwise it will return 0 and just close this. So this is completed if formula. We have to get the large one, then large 2, then large 3. So we can put here manually 1 or we can use the row number to create the dynamically row number, and then we can take the first row and press enter. We have to create a array. So simple select the formula, press shift control enter. We have not freezed here, F4, and this one also. Here shift control enter, then here again shift control enter, then it will give you the next risk. So just put this formula 10 times here. Alright friends, so that is how we have used this formula. And then once we will get the serial number, then simply we have used the VLOOKUP. So because if you will see in the risk, this is the serial number and we have used the VLOOKUP from here. So VLOOKUP simply description of risk and risk label. So friends, that is how we have created dashboard sheet tab. And in this dashboard sheet tab, this background color we have taken the gray. So it is simply just select the range and go to home and change the background color whatever you want to take, like this. And this is a simple rectangle. Here if you will see, this is a rectangle and you can enable the headings, and this is another rectangle you can see here. And we have used multiple text boxes. This is the first text box, then the second text box, the third text box, fourth text box, fifth text box and sixth text box. And whatever is highlighted, we have filled the background color. If you will see, this is some background color. You can change the color as per your desire. And here we have used the hyperlink to the Gantt view. So to use the hyperlink, simply right click and you can click on add hyperlink. I can click on edit hyperlink because I have already used. Then simply go to the place in this document and you can select the sheet name. And then if I will click, it will move to the second sheet. On the second sheet, we have filled the second text box. First text box, we have removed the background color like this. Alright friends, now I'll tell you how to create dynamic Gantt chart using two scroll bar, horizontal scroll bar and the vertical scroll bar, this one. I will explain you this in the next part of this video. Please pause the next part of this video. Thank you so much for watching.